Good afternoon, everybody. We're just gonna jump right into it. Daytime POV and some convos, nothing serious. Gotta get a couple of things done, then head to work after that. So, but yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Lou, aka Blendedgrey. You can find me on IG. If you guys like the content here on YouTube, please like, comment, subscribe, do the thing, the YouTube thing, you know, the algorithm, whatever it's called. Thank you anyway for watching, regardless. Today's conversation is going to be about my my BC Forged wheels, because it seems to be everybody's favorite topic. Talk about it. Let's talk about it. Even before we talk about those wheels, let's talk about the Apexes. So I originally had gotten the Apexes. Well, if anybody knows and is aware, those are not the stock wheels, the black wheels that I had on the vehicle before. Those were 19-inch Apex wheels, specifically SM10s. I ran those basically the entirety of the time that I've had the car. Even when I'm just gonna close this so you guys can hear me. I had those on the vehicle since I got it, and I love those wheels. I absolutely love those wheels. It's very hard for me to even imagine the vehicle without those Apexes on it, because I had them from the beginning, and I was really like set on having those prior to it. When I was doing my research, I was like, damn, I truly really wanted those the V5 RS. You guys know what, the one that has more spokes to it. But as you more and more look, that wheel is very common amongst most chassis. So it's just like, damn. But anyway, that doesn't mean Apex wheels are not amazing wheels. I love those wheels. Honestly, if I could have kept both wheels, I definitely would have. I would have ran one as like a winter tire, and then one as not a summer, not tire, but wheel. And one as, you know, half the year run one and half the year run the other. I love them, but I also wanted something different. Like I said, when I go to, you know, when I go to meets or whenever I go to events, I don't have to be entirely different. I'm not somebody, you know, I guess the wheels are here on flashy or whatever, but I would like to know when I walk up to the car and maybe a group of M340s, I know exactly which one is mine, because I don't have on TEs or I don't have on BBSs. Don't even run the super stocks, you know. These are very common wheels that you see on the M340. And I realized now, I was like really looking around and looking at people's input when it comes to brush wheels, especially wheels that also have lips. People don't usually respond well to them, and I don't know if that's due to the fact that there's cleaning that goes into it. Gunmetal and black, it's a trending thing right now. I realize it's a fairly trending thing. But the thing about black wheels in particular, especially on a darker car like the Valvetronic car that I own here, the wheels they get lost in the car sometimes. Like when I take photographs, they're not as, you can't see it as well. So that's another reason I went with the direction of the BC Forged wheels and brushed. I don't know if you guys know, the hardware on the vehicle itself, on the wheels, it's gold. They all match with my caliper. I have a very particular way that I had decided, ooh, damn. Wow, that's crazy. I have a very particular way that I go about my vehicle, my car, you know? Everybody to each their own has their own likings, but I guarantee you if it was one of those wheels that I had named, you guys would all be in the, I don't want to say you guys are going to be in the comments, but people are going to be in the comments and be like, yeah, blah, blah, blah. Or even the OEM stock car, the stock wheels. The stock wheels are amazing. The thing about the stock wheels that I do not like, they're small. To be honest, they're probably one of the better stock wheels, at least for the M340, that I really like. I like the bicolor ones. Even the regular ones that weren't bicolor, the prior ones that they made, those ones are really nice. The OEM wheels are amazing. However, you can't run a bigger tire on the OEM wheels. You can run a bigger tire, but then you sacrifice handling at that point, and I don't want to do that. Just get a proper wheel setup and you're good. I love this car. I love the way it's set up. For me, I'm not gonna change the wheels, guys. If you guys thought I was gonna change the wheels, the joke was on you guys. But I am not gonna do that. I do appreciate the feedback too, because it gives me insight about how I'm gonna approach moving forward, especially with the YouTube thing. I'm not trying to get lost in the YouTube thing and forget who I am as an individual, because I realize even with YouTube, you can be doing things just for the people. And yes, YouTubers or people who make YouTube channels, they're either here to educate or entertain. But at the same time, I don't want to sacrifice who I am, put myself in a situation where I can't afford to do something, or I'm not happy or satisfied with the decision that I've made. I'd rather just make the decision that I like. And if anybody is interested in there, even if they don't like the wheels, or they just like, you know, the vibe that I give off, or my personality that I have to offer, I appreciate that. Also, we are on the road to 1K. If you guys can, share it to your mom, sister, dad, brother. Get me to 1K, please, 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 please. If you guys can get me to 1K, I have some Armor Speed mud flaps that I was originally gonna put on the vehicle. We could do a giveaway at 1,000. You guys let me know if you guys want to do that. Also comment, are you guys with brush wheels or black gunmetal wheels? I feel like it depends on the car, it depends on the color, it depends on what you're also doing with it. Are you looking for a race car? Are you looking low key? Like, there's so many factors that come into play. I'll tell everybody, just build your car to how you want it. Don't try to be the cleanest or the whatever you want to say, you want to be the best looking, blah blah blah. There's always going to be somebody better. That's as simple as that. Somebody who got more money, somebody who has more attention. That's always going to be the case. Build the car for you, and if anything else follows after that, it'll follow suit. But this is also something I see in the car community, and I hate because it's like, are people actually building their car for themselves, or are they trying to do copy and paste? You know, it's sad. Damn, we ran into a little bit of traffic here, but yeah guys, that was just a small little rant I had here going on. I wanted to talk about the wheels and what you guys thought. One thing I really do, okay, and I don't know if you guys watch my previous videos, I would make the front specs a little bit more aggressive on the wheels. I may rebuild them. If I get rid of this car, because I know a lot of people are also interested in knowing whether or not this car is for sale. Yes and no, actually, depending on, things can happen, things can change. For now, if you guys are interested, most likely I'm going to be parting out the car, because people don't want to buy it as is, which is fine. So, but you guys can find me on IG, even if you guys can comment here. If I missed your comment, I'm sorry guys. Sometimes YouTube doesn't notify me, which is weird, so I have to like sift through the comments to respond. Yeah, that's about it. The Puerto Rican Day Parade is actually today in lovely NYC in Harlem. If you're from Harlem, shout out to Harlem. Yeah, Puerto Rico is outside, but yeah, y'all, I hope y'all alive, y'all doing well, y'all kicking. Comment some of y'all favorite wheels too. Like, if you guys had unlimited cash, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I challenge you not to pick BBS or HRE. Any other wheel, comment below. I want to see what you guys would say, you know, your input. And if anybody is interested in also sponsoring the wheels, shit, I'll keep the M340 if somebody's willing to sponsor. If they have a wheel brand, they want me to buy the purchase and wheels, and I can have them in the video, sure, why not? Damn, just let me know. Let me know if that's what you guys want me to do. Do you guys think do you guys even think I should keep this car? Do you guys think I should keep this car? Should I move on to G80? I was actually looking at RS3s, and that's a whole different other platform, but I know people would be like, damn, why are you going to Audi? Yeah guys, so that's about it. Me chatting and ranting. If y'all like the video, if y'all don't, I'm sorry. But anyway, I hope everybody has a good day. I'm gonna go ahead and do what I gotta do. and peace out. Peace.